Hey, welcome to my channel. I've been really into making DIY jewelry using seed beads recently, and in this video I wanted to share how I made this set of gold and white beaded rings. The designs are really minimal and easy to create, so keep watching if you're interested. Before we start, I would like to thank PandaHall Selected for sending me these beading supplies. All of them are linked in the box below, so feel free to check them out if you're interested. To begin, I prepared the white and gold beads in two little plates so that I can access them more easily. Then, I pull out around 30 cm of the beading cord and pasted washi tape on one of the ends to prevent beads from falling out. For the first design or method, I'm just stringing 3 white beads followed by 1 gold bead to form a simple pattern. Then I repeated the process until I think that there are enough beads to form a ring. I don't have a specific measurement for ring sizes. Instead, I just twist the cord around my finger to check if it fits. To finish the ring, I put the open end of the cord through all the beads again, as this makes the ring stronger and it won't break as easily. Just keep going until both ends of the cord are coming out from the same gap. Once that is done, I tie 2 to 3 regular knots to pull the ring tight. I then push one end of the remaining cord through around 3 beads to the left and the other end through around 3 beads to the right. This step can be a little challenging, especially if the cord is not stretchable, but it is possible with some patience and time. Then it's time to trim off the excess cord, and I will push any remainder into the next bead to hide the ends. So this is the easiest way of making a seed bead ring, and you can always make solid colored rings or change the beading pattern to create new designs. For the second design, I'll be stringing white beads to cover about half of the ring. Then it's time to make a beaded flower in the center. To start, I beaded 6 gold beads for the flower petals. Next, grab the end of the cord and push it through the first gold bead. Pull the cord tight and then a flower will be formed. Then I beaded a white bead for the center of the flower. With the white bead at the bottom of the flower, push the cord through the golden bead on top. After pulling the cord tight, the flower will be completed. Then I continued to string white beads to cover the other half of the ring. To finish the ring, I used the same method by putting the end of the cord through all the beads again. When I reached the flower, I just put the end through the white bead, which is the middle of the flower, and then continued through the rest of the beads until both ends of the cord are coming out from the same gap. Then I repeated the last steps as per the first design, and the flower ring is done. For the third design, I'm using this hexagonal gold bead as the center of the ring. First, I put white beads onto the cord until they cover about half of the ring. Then I put in the hexagonal bead and continue beading the white beads. I used the same finishing method as the previous rings, and then this one is done. The last design is slightly more time consuming, but the steps are pretty simple and repetitive. Both ends of the cord need to be free, so I didn't use washi tape to block one end this time. To start, I beaded 4 beads, alternating between white and gold. Take the other end of the cord and put it through the last gold bead. Pull the cord tight and you should see this pattern that looks like a little plus sign. Next, I beaded white beads on both ends of the cord. Then I beaded 1 gold bead on one of the ends, and it doesn't matter which end you choose. Take the other end of the cord and put it through the gold bead and pull it tight. Then repeat this step and continue building the pattern until there are enough beads for the entire ring. To finish this ring, insert 1 white bead onto each end of the cord. Then take the cord on the right and string it through the first gold bead towards the left. Do the same for the other cord, but now towards the right. Pull the cords tight and the ring will be connected. Then I tied 2 to 3 knots and put the loose ends into nearby beads to secure the knots. Trim off the excess and the ring will be done. I hope you enjoyed this DIY video and feel free to leave a comment below to let me know which design is your favorite. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.